ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5 architecture, works as follows. Training data. The first step is training the model on a vast amount of text data from the internet. This data includes books, articles, websites, and more, covering a wide range of topics and styles. GPT 3.5 learns to recognize patterns and relationships in this data, allowing it to generate human-like text later on. Architecture. GPT 3.5 is built on a deep learning framework called a transformer neural network. This architecture enables it to process and understand the context of words within sentences, paragraphs, and documents more effectively. Transformers consist of layers of self-attention mechanisms that allow the model to weigh the importance of different words in a text. Text generation. When you ask a question or provide a prompt to ChatGPT, the input text is tokenized and fed into the model. The self-attention mechanism helps the model understand the context of the prompt by analyzing the relationship between different words and their importance in the sentence. Context and completions. The model uses the context from the input to predict the most likely next word or sequence of words to generate a response. It does this by calculating probabilities for different words based on the patterns it learned during training. The result is a text completion that the model believes is most appropriate given the input. Fine-tuning. OpenAI fine-tunes GPT 3.5 on specific datasets and tasks to make it more useful for particular applications. This fine-tuning process adapts the model for specific use cases, like chatbots, language translation, or code generation. Iteration and improvement. OpenAI constantly refines and updates the model based on user feedback and additional training data. This iterative process helps to enhance the performance and capabilities of the language model over time. In summary, ChatGPT works by leveraging a massive amount of training data, using a transformer architecture to understand the context of text, and generating responses based on learned patterns and relationships.